Alright, so here we are. It's our last day at the shipyard. Got to do a little bit more prep on the boat out there, but she will be in tow by midday. Let's go, Ed.
Yeah. No.
So here we are on our European race style vessel. On the throttle. It's on the steering there. Kind of learning as we go. Alright, I'm gonna keep going backwards, Ed. Highly qualified positions to do this kind of stuff. Alright, getting ready to tow a little bit later today. We got a few more inches of water in here. Just going to try to pump it out as much as we can, makes the boat as light as possible, let it float as high as possible. That way, when we're towing, you know, the higher up it floats, the less chance we have running aground. So we're just rigging up the pump, getting the last few inches of water out, and we should be good to go. Alright, so here's the big day. We're several months of preparation. We finally got our tow captain in. We're going to start heading south. We got 300 miles ahead of us.